Hello, it's Tuesday, October the 26th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar remained down against most of the major currencies, regardless of the home sales data being better than expected at 4.53 million versus 4.25 million forecast. NASDAQ and Dow Jones advanced by 0.46% and 0.28% respectively. Crude closed at $82.52 a barrel, and gold increased by 1.1% to close at $1,340 an ounce. Today, CBI consumer confidence is expected at 49 versus 48.5 prior. The euro strengthened against the dollar, with industrial new orders exceeding expectation at 5.30% versus 2.1%, resulting in a stronger euro. The last few days have seen the pair within a daily range, with support at 138.56 and resistance at 140.49. As long as the pair remains above 139, the trend will remain positive. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 139.35 and a high of 140.79. No economic data is expected today. The pound strengthened against the dollar despite mortgage approvals coming out worse than expected at 31.10,000 versus 31.60,000 forecast. The buyers outweighed the sellers in search for higher yielding assets in the pound dollar. The momentum for the pound remains negative despite the pair's efforts to break the daily moving average at around 157.76. The trend continues to be bearish, with strong support at 156.50. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 156.77 and a high of 157.72. The yen continues to strengthen against the dollar for the sixth consecutive day and reached highs that were last seen in 1995. The trend is still bearish, although we might see some minor corrections. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.40 and a high of 81.32. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This reached a weekly high against the US dollar as a result of government reports last week that hinted that inflation and retail sales exceeded expectations. Strengthened commodities support a strong Canadian dollar. The dollar CAD broke its moving average and entered its second day of negative performance. The trend continues to be bearish below 102.20. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.54 and a high of 102.58. Today, Bank of Canada Governor Carney speaks. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.